Hello, in this flag in 50 seconds we're looking at the bailiwick of Jersey. This flag was adopted on the 7th of April 1981 and consists of the red saltire cross with the badge of Jersey, which houses a yellow Plantagenet crown above 3 leopards, not lions. One possible link to the St Patrick cross may have been a mistake, as this was linked to the arms of the Fitzgerald, a Cambro-Norman family who were very powerful in Ireland but also did own some land in Jersey. The introduction of this flag came into play following Queen Elizabeth's Silver Jubilee in 1977. Some residents thought that the flag of the day didn't represent them enough. Others thought that the St Patrick cross was very synonymous with Ireland and was also being introduced as a maritime international flag, which also actually means I require assistance. And others also wanted the 3 leopards to be represented. It's almost as if no one could decide out of all of these what to choose, so they amalgamated all of the legitimate requests into one flag that you see today. The amalgamated flag of Jersey.